Naturaqua is a mineral salt-based product that controls algae. It allows you to use less chlorine in your pool. You can keep your chlorine at 1 parts per million. It's also a water clarifier and a pH stabilizer. This is a 10-ounce container of Naturaqua. Depending on your pool size, it'll be good for anywhere from 10 to 12 weeks. You only need a small amount of the Naturaqua in your pool each week. It works in the filter of the pool. So you would introduce Naturaqua into your pool filtration system through the skimmer every week. So Naturaqua works in your filter of your pool. As the water goes through the filter, Naturaqua will help control algae. Also enhance the chlorine in your pool, which will allow you to use less chlorine. So if you're sensitive to chlorine, this is a great way to keep your pool sanitized and keep the chlorine level low in your pool while maintaining crystal clear water. And Naturaqua is 100% mineral salts, so it's non-toxic and there's no metals in here. So adding the initial dose of Naturaqua is very easy. You just have to know how many gallons of water or liters you have in your pool and make sure the chemistry is balanced. Your chlorine can be higher when you add the initial dose, but ideally 1.0 is good, pH 7.4 to 7.6, alkalinity from 80 to 120. According to the dosage chart, every 2,640 gallons of water, I'm going to add 4 grams or 0.14 ounces. You're also going to need to know your pool size. This pool is about 14,000 gallons. So according to this dosage chart, this pool needs 20 grams or 0.7 ounces. Inside the container, there's a measuring cup. So I have it filled to the 20 ml mark. Okay, for the initial dose, we're going to run the filter for 24 hours. If your pool looks clear to begin with, you don't have to run your pool for 24 hours. 8 to 10 hours should be sufficient for the initial dose. You also want to make sure your filter is clean before you start the initial dose. Turn the pool on and let it run 24 hours. Okay, with the pool running, we just dumped the Naturaqua into the skimmer. So you would add Naturaqua once a week to your pool. For this particular pool, which is 14,000 gallons, this is enough for 15 weeks. And back here, the third week, using the Naturaqua. You see the chlorine has zeroed out here. It's been in the 90s all week. Water is actually crystal clear. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of chlorine to bring it back up to about 1 parts per million. Even with this low level of chlorine in here, the pool's looking really clear. There's no algae at all. So the benefits of Naturaqua is that it controls algae. It allows you to use a reduced amount of chlorine in your pool. It enhances the chlorine usage in your pool. It's a water clarifier. It also stabilizes the pH in your pool.